channel, Design on a Dollar. I'm your host, Ida, and today we are going to do a lamp. For this project, you're going to need some type of top base. You're going to need 3 board size. I have a 6x6, an 8x8, and a 12x12 size boards that I have. And I picked up the 2 smaller ones from Dollar Tree, and I had Lowe's cut these 12x12 boards. You're also going to need 4 30-inch 1x2s, or this is 2.5 feet tall. So you need 4 of those. You need a ruler of some sort, some rope, nautical rope, a hammer. That's you can use it as a stapler or a nail gun. I'm using it as a nail gun. Some form of tape to help you keep the stuff standing up. Glue of your choice. I have several different kinds. Wood glue, Gorilla Glue, hot glue sticks. You're going to need some form of knife or scissors, and you're going to need some form of file. The first thing I'm doing is taking a nail file, and I am filing all of the wood pieces to get all the frayed pieces off of it. So that's what I'm going to do to all of the wood. And guys, you don't always have to go out and buy what you call that stuff, sandpaper. You can use what you have sometimes, and I'm using a nail file. So the next thing I'm going to do is, while the legs are drying on the top part, the bottom part of the base, lantern, I'm going to put the top together. So I'm going to take the 12x12 board and I'm going to lay it out, and then I'm going to put wood glue on top of the 8x8 piece and sit it on top of the 12x12. And then I'm going to measure to make sure it is even all around, and it is 2 inches on all sides. So I'm going to sit that there and put a little pressure on it to get it to stick just a little bit so it won't move around. And then I'm going to go in with the 6x6 board, and I'm going to do the same thing that I did with the previous board. I'm going to put glue on it, and then I am going to make sure it's even. And I am using the Gorilla wood glue on this part. So after I have this placed down, I'm going to measure it to make sure it's even all around, and it should be 1 inch on all sides. And after that, I am going to make any adjustments that's needed, and then I'm going to go in with the topper. Now this topper is the top of a post for a fence, and I had this at home, so I'm going to use the Gorilla Glue to put that down instead of the hot glue. So instead of the wood glue. So I'm just opening it up and taking a popsicle stick, and I'm going to rub it all around the edges. And then I'm going to go in with the hot glue gun, and I'm going to put the hot glue basically on the sides, not the top of the well, not the bottom, but pretty much like on the inside, so when I put it down, the hot glue can fall down to the wood and stick. See how I'm not putting it on top of the glue, I'm putting it on the side pieces, and then I'm going to set it down so it can stick. Do the same thing, measure it all around to make sure it's in the right place on all sides. And so now that I have 3 of the legs put on, and now I'm going to take the 3rd leg, and the 4th leg, and I'm going to show you how I secured it. I put wood glue on it, and then I went in with I think they're 2-inch nails. I think they're drywall nails, or something like that. They're real skinny, and that have the top of them like it really don't look like there's a top, so they can sink into the wood good. So I'm aligning everything up, and then I am going to take the nail and hammer it in. Now it is tricky at first to start it out, so you may need something to help hold it up, like the tape or another piece of wood or a box or something. So you want to make sure that when you hammer it, that the nail does not go through the sides, and if it does, you just remove it and go tap it back in again. And I'm securing it with 2 nails as well as the wood glue, because I want this fixture to be permanent. And see, the side of it is coming through, so the nail is coming through on the side. So I'm taking it out and getting another nail and putting it in where it won't come through the wood itself. And then once I get it all secured, I'm going to take some wood glue and I'm going to go around the top of it where the nails are at, and also on the sides of it, just to secure it from any cracks or anything, and make sure that the structure is solid. And then I'm going to take 4 Jenga pieces, and I am going to glue them down to the bottom as well. Right now I'm showing you that I'm going to put Jenga pieces around the bottom of it to give it a lip. But beforehand, like I said, I put 4 Jenga pieces on the bottom as feet, and then I turned it over, and I am going to proceed with the same steps to put the top on. And I'm just lining everything up, and I'm going to staple it down. I mean, nail it down. Now guys, this is the building of it, and I am going to make this white, and I'm going to decorate it for Christmas. And these are going to be lanterns that I use on my front porch. So I am going to seal them so that you can secure them from the weather. And guys, these lanterns going to stay out year round. I will decorate them according to the season. And here I'm showing you, I'm taking some Jenga pieces that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to build a border or wall around the bottom, so that when you put your lantern or decorations in it, it won't easily slide off. So I'm going to show you the completed project now, and I'm showing you the wall that is built. And guys, I love the way this came out. Now guys, I'm asking you, should I put the nautical rope on? Should I add a border to the top? And what was the other thing I was going to ask you guys? The nautical rope, the border around it, and I'm going to let you know that I'm going to put 2 coats of paint on it. So I just need to know if I should put a border around the top. So guys, if you enjoyed this DIY, please don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, like, and share. Share. And guys, remember that I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you to the moon and back again. So guys, I'll wait to hear your reply as far as the top of the lantern. Love you guys. Bye-bye.